Welcome to Hawkins Manor in West Mobile, Alabama. This gold fortified home is a 3-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's almost 1,600 square feet. It comes standard with beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the bath, a tiled backsplash with the kitchen, along with stainless steel appliances. Don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction community, make sure you let them know that you're working with Frankie Wink. You deserve a buyer's agent working for your best interests. And the best part is, the builder pays my compensation. You get the best of both worlds. I know what you're thinking. Will you get a better deal if you don't use a buyer's agent? Absolutely not. New construction homes are priced to sell. The prices have to remain the same for the other homes in this community to appraise. That's why builders offer incentives. Incentives like interest rate buy-downs or contributing to your buyer's closing costs. These are ways to save you money without affecting the appraisal value of the home. Call today for the current incentives, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.